Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I will show you how to restore transparency to a PNG in OBS so you can remove unwanted backgrounds and make your images blend perfectly in your scenes. Now let's get started. This video will guide you through each simple step to bring back transparency using the built-in tools inside OBS. Step 1. Open OBS Studio and add the image or source you want to modify. This is the file where you want the transparent background restored, and it will appear inside the Sources panel. Step 2. Right-click on the added source and select Filters. This option is located in the context menu and allows you to apply visual effects and adjustments. Step 3. In the Filters window, click the plus sign under Effect Filters. This button lets you add a new effect that changes the appearance of the selected source. Step 4. Choose Chroma Key from the list. This filter removes a specific color from the image to create transparency. It is commonly used for green screens, but also works with any solid background color. Step 5. If the background is not green, change key color type from green to custom. This setting allows you to target any color instead of the default green. Choosing the correct color type ensures accurate background removal. Step 6. Click Select Color and pick the background color you want to remove. Use the color picker to sample the exact shade from your image. This tells OBS which color should become transparent. Step 7. Adjust the Similarity slider until the background disappears. Increasing this value removes more of the selected color range. This step is important to eliminate most of the unwanted background. Step 8. Adjust the Smoothness slider to remove any remaining outline. This softens the edges so the image looks natural without rough borders. Proper smoothness helps the PNG blend cleanly into the scene. Step 9. Adjust key color. Spill reduction to clean the edges. This reduces any leftover color tint around the subject caused by the removed background. It improves the overall quality of the transparency. Step 10. Close the filters window to apply the transparency. OBS will automatically save the changes and show the updated result in your preview. Your PNG should now appear with a clean, transparent background. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.